Look, you could try to memorize all 7,000 human micro expressions, but let's be real, you have got better things to do. That is a one-way ticket to headache. Instead, we are going to use a cheat code. We will just learn 5 or 6 muscles that actually do the heavy lifting, and then mix and match them like a good chef mixes the spices. Let's start at the top. Imagine you just showed your art teacher your masterpiece, and they realize you made a pretty questionable creative choice. What face do they make? The frown. Now, if we turn on our X-ray vision, we can see a whole group of muscles doing heavy lifting here. First, we have the Corrugator Supercilii. Think of corrugated cardboard. You know, the stuff with the ridges? This muscle does exactly that. It shrinks and scrunches the middle of the eyebrow together. But it's got partner in crime, the Depressor Supercilii. This one is the bummer of the group. Just like a depressed person can pull everyone down, this muscle pulls the brow and forehead skin down and inward. Now, right between the eyes sits the Procerus. I like to call it Procerus muscle, mostly because it's what people use when they are trying to look way more intense than they actually are. It sits right on the bridge of the nose and bunches everything down to give you that locked-in look. Put those three together and boom, you have got a frown that actually has solid structure underneath it, not just random squiggles. But these aren't looking like they are frowning at all. Yes, you are right. These muscles are still in their normal, relaxed state. Let's see what happens when they spring into action. The Corrugator Supercilii almost hide behind the Depressor Supercilii. The Depressor Supercilii create a wave-like fold and shrinks the center of the forehead. Its origin gets completely hidden in that fold. Only the insertion part stay visible. Meanwhile, the Procerus step in to create that trademark bulging look of a proper frown. And there you have it, your complete frowning face. But wait, we can't forget the muscle that lives in the front row, the Frontalis. This is the big guy responsible for hiking those eyebrows up to the ceiling. It's the weight you are actually serious face. It's what your teacher does when you tell them you didn't finish the project because you lost your favorite pencil. See, stop worrying about 7,000 expressions. Just learn how these few muscles pull the skin around and you will be drawing the faces that actually feel human. In the next set of videos, I will share the next set of muscles with you. Until then, practice well.